Today, I'm actually going to review two things again. The one thing is Pfaff boerewors that I bought at Pick n Pay Vleerhal for $84.99. You asked me to rate the boerewors, so I'm going to do that. I decided to cook it in the air fryer because it's difficult to make a fire every time. So here goes, let's taste it. Breaks quite easily. Nice texture. Very nice. I rate this a 7.9 out of 10. And then also, the new flavor, Nik Naks cheesy Kolta flavor. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. Here goes. Very nice, but it tastes a lot like normal Nik Naks cheese. I'll give this a 7.8. Thank you guys, till next time. Love you all.